Hello guys, I'm Jason from the manager, and I'll take you on today's tutorial on how to change your cPanel password. So first thing you need to do is log into your cPanel. Once you've successfully done that, it will take you to this user interface. So click on the top right button, the first button you see there, your user interface. Click on that. It will toggle down, then also click on change password. So for today's lesson, you can either write a custom password for yourself or use a random generated password. But for today's lesson, I'll be using a random generated password. So for that, we click the random generator. And guys, always remember to copy and save this password in a good and secure place so you can use it for other times. So confirm that password and save changes. So once you've done that, you have successfully changed your cPanel password. But just to be sure, I would like you to log out from your cPanel, type in your username again, and try the new password if it works. So it works, so you're successfully changed your cPanel password. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our page for more tips. Thank you.